friends! I'm finally back. I haven't unboxed in front of you guys for a long time. So today I have one box that I'm excited to try and I'm gonna show you right now. This is the box that I received from Maybelline 16-Hour Summer Proof Pinks. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink Pink Edition. You all know that I love the Super Stay Matte Ink. I have been recommending this if you want lipstick, matte lipstick that stays for life. Like, it really stays. So they came up with all the pink undertones version, and this is perfect for summer, very girly. So I will swatch them all for you and we'll pick one to wear today. So first one is in shade Savant, Pathfinder, Successful, then there's Initiator, and there's Ringleader, and Revolutionary. So the pinkiest shade for me on swatch is this one, parang almost fuchsia, and this one naman has a little bit of a purple undertone. I love these two shades, which is Initiator and Ringleader, so I will be wearing Ringleader today. As you can see, in less than 3 minutes time, I used a cleansing wipes and the pigment still stayed. So mukha ko may domestic violence, but disclaimer, wala. Definitely wala. So anyway, I will be trying Ringleader right now. I'll remove some lipstick, or I had lipstick on earlier. So removing it right now, and we'll apply this. So same as the other Super Stay Matte inks that was released, the formulation is the same. It applies really creamy, and you have time to let it set, and once it sets, it stays. So make sure you clean it up as quickly as you can as soon as you apply. Then just let it sit for like 5 minutes, then it will stay the whole day. Just so you know, just for any matte lipsticks, if you have very dry lips like I do, just take a look. Magkakaroon ng tackiness at first, and it will cause dryness on your lips. Again, just like any other brands. Just make sure to bring with you a lip balm. Much better yung medyo ointment version na lip balm. There's Vaseline, there's a version like Lucas Papaw. Use those and just gently dab on top of your lips the whole day, anytime the whole day, and you'll be fine. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your summer proof pinks for this summer. Thank you so much, Maybelline. Bye!